half pot of vegetables, potato, beans and carrots, and I'm putting like 4 cups of cauliflower, and it's like 2/3 now. 4 cups of peas, 4 tablespoons of butter, 7 cups of water, closing the lid. Now pressure cook for around 24 minutes. Start, and we'll come back. Okay, it's been about 1.5 hours and the pressure is gone. Let's see. Oh, it looks like this. And I forgot to mention, I put salt and a piece of beetroot. Here it is, just for the color. Teaspoon of amchur, and now that's how it looks like. It's full pot, and we already done with our dinner with this much bhaji. This is the consistency, see? And now that's how it looks like. It's full pot, and we already done with our dinner with this much bhaji. This is the consistency, see?